Hey everybody, it's Sally. Welcome to day one of distance learning. I am so glad you are here. I know this is the craziest situation and that it took a lot of you quite a bit of effort to kind of get here today. And I am so happy that you have joined me. And I am, even though this is so weird and hard in so many ways, actually really excited for this journey that we're going to go on together because it is a new challenge. And I think we're going to discover some kind of amazing things about each other and ourselves through this. So welcome. I'm happy you're here. And I want to start by just saying, first of all, that this is going to be a really easy first day and first week, really. My goal for this week is just to get you kind of settled in and understanding what we're going to do, what technology we're going to use to do it. And I hope that you will feel by the end of this week ready to work more independently next week, but we're going to take it slow and easy. And if you have any questions about anything that we talk about this week, I am here to answer them and here for you. You have 3 things to do today, and I'm going to go through those 3 things in order. Your first task is to do your daily check-in on Google Classroom. And that is going to be a daily check-in. It's the way that I will take attendance, and it will usually be just a short, quick, easy question that lets me know that you have gotten onto our Google Classroom site and are participating. So today the daily check-in is called Daily Check-in for 6 or April 6th. And it's a question about my new dog, who I'm so excited to introduce you to. So please make sure that you have completed that daily check-in by 9 p.m. every day, including today. The second thing you're going to work on is the survey that is linked below where you clicked on for this video. And it is called the ELA Distance Learning Survey. And it looks like this. You are going to fill out this survey today, and it has quite a few questions, but they're all pretty quick and easy. And they have different questions about how prepared you feel for distance learning, what questions you have about distance learning, questions about doing some video chats, questions about ideas you have for making this a really fun experience, and a place for you to put questions for me. And then at the end, I do have a part where I'm asking you to set me a challenge. I have a challenge for you, which is I want at least 80 students to have completed the survey by Thursday night. And if 80 kids have, I will either perform an amazing karaoke solo, learn a TikTok dance and perform it for you, or do 10 push-ups, which might be the scariest of them all. So you'll vote for which one you want me to do. When this survey is complete, you have one more step today, which is to get onto our Flipgrid. And the link for that is also in today's lesson on Google Classroom. On Flipgrid, you are going to find a video assignment, but first you're going to need to know how to sign in. And that is where you'll need this code. So you'll go to the link on Google Classroom, and then depending on what hour you are in, you will put in the following password. So if you are in my first hour, your password is Sally Hour 1. If you're in my second hour, Sally Hour 2, Sally Hour 3, Sally Hour 4, and so on. So if you are in my first hour, hello to Isak and Kadra and Teo and Max and all the rest of you. You're going to use Sally Hour 2. 1. Whoops, if you are in hour 2, hello to Maria and Idris and Clara and Mimi. You are going to use Sally Hour 2. If you are in my third hour, hello to Arif and Ilhan and Georgia and Nick. You are going to write Sally Hour 3. And if you are in my lovely fourth hour, hello to Musab and Mutaz and Sophie and Oliver. You're going to write Sally Hour 4. So you got to get into Flipgrid. And then you are going to go onto your first assignment, which is called Sally, I'm Signed In. There's a video here with instructions. There's also written instructions here. And you are going to record a video telling me that you are signed in to Flipgrid and know how to make a video. When you have done those 3 things, your daily check-in, your Google survey, and your Flipgrid video, you are done for today. And you can either move on to your other classwork for other classes, or if you're done with that too, you can take it easy till tomorrow. Please check in again on Tuesday for your daily check-in and your next assignment. I will be online from 10 a.m. to noon today, and 1 to 3 p.m. And I can answer any questions you have by email or by Google Hangout. So email me. I put my email address below, and I can help with any questions you may have. Don't hesitate to reach out. We will get you set up for distance learning in no time. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon. I'm glad you're here.